Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video I am going to show you a very useful AutoCAD trick, how to divide a rectangle equally using divide and copy command. Draw a rectangle and type div on your keyboard. Then enter the number of segments. You can enter 4 or as your requirements. Now type O for offset command. Specify the first point and second point. After that, click line for offset. It's done. Let me check the measurements. It is 80 milli long and 420 segments. That means our drawing is okay. Now with copy command, type CO for copy command, then click vertical line. Then specify the first point. Now in the input box type A because we want to divide the segments inside an area. Now press enter. In the dynamic input box type 6 because we want to divide this rectangle in 6 segments. You can see another pop-up. You can select from the bottom, or type F for fit into the rectangle, then click other side of the rectangle. This is how you divide a rectangle into any segments you want precisely. Now let me check the measurements, and it is correct. Every segment is equally divided. One bonus part, you can use divide command for equally dividing a circle also. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.